Good day everyone, I'm Huiyu. In this video, I will be showing you this Malaysia 1981 4th series 10 ringgit banknotes. Before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this Malaysia 4th series banknotes is issued between 1981 to 1983. And the bank negara governor at the time is Tan Sri Dato Abdul Aziz bin Haji Taha. And this is how the governor's signature should look like on the 4th series 10 ringgit notes. The size for this 10 ringgit notes is 133 mm times 80 mm. And the printer for this banknotes is in this book is TDLR, which actually means Thomas Deliveroo. And only prefix starting from F/51 to G/21 Aziz, and there is a replacement prefix XZ/1. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Now if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the notes. This is how the front of the notes look like. This is it should have the Governor Haji Taha signature here. I'm going to put a bit closer. Now I'm going to turn it around. This is how behind the notes look like. Below here is Thomas Deliveroo and Company Limited. Make sure you have this when you want to check whether the notes is a counterfeit or not. These are all the small details you need to take note. Now I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. Please take note that the watermark is this is how the watermark should look like. It's not an Agong watermark. It's actually it was a tiger head watermark. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.